This is nerdy as shit and probably annoying to listen to, but I think it's cool, so I'm going to talk about it. I'm recording some of these bass samples, but I always go really high, and I noticed this is cool in this B6 sample. So this is pretty high on the keyboard. As you can see, right? There's all this weird low frequency noise, but it's like kind of cool. Down by like, where is that? 100 and something hertz. I don't know. Maybe this is something, like, this is why I like pushing all these bass patches super high. Because even when you get way out of the bass range, like, sometimes there's stuff just happening down here.